morning, good morning. Welcome all you new folks and welcome back everybody to Loving It on Keto. Boy, have we had some exciting few days. Yes, indeed. We left New Mexico. Everything was great. Got to Arizona. We stopped at a gas station about 50 miles from Tombstone. And Harry checked all the tires like he always does. And he saw a nail embedded in the back tire of our Vita. And the tire was stationary. We tried calling. This was on Saturday afternoon after 4, after everything had closed. Nobody was open. And we took the chance that we could drive on it to get to Tombstone before we called anybody to help, because we tried calling, we tried looking stuff up. We have a whole bunch of roadside service plans and stuff. So we did that. We got here safe and sound. We got to Tombstone RV park, plugged in, and the air conditioner wouldn't work. The air conditioner wouldn't work and the bedroom wouldn't work here. So there is a group of great people that were camping there in a RV group. They came over and the one man said, you know, they looked at the cord and everything. Now the cord's been taken away and I'm going to share a picture of everything in just a minute. But anyway, Harry went up to the office and they had the top part. So we bought that and they were going to put it together. And then the guy from the office that helps run the place said, let me check the box. And he rattled and banged the box. And then we replugged our unit, our plug-in, and lo and behold, the air conditioner works. So thank heavens for that. But I'm going to show you where Harry bought the head of that and was going to take it all apart before the guy came and said, let me check the box first. So here you go.
So Harry.
So Wendy.
How's it going? How's the plug going? What happened?
Well, I think that one of the positive wires came off inside here. You can't tear this apart. So I had to get one of these. Then I'm going to strip this off, strip some of this back, put it in here.
Okay.
I got to see if I got all the tool.
Yep. You have a great group of campers across from us too. They came and helped move the table, Harry. And then the back tire, that one right there, has a nail embedded way into it. And the tire's good. We're hoping to get that fixed tomorrow, but it's too late to call anybody right now. So, yep, that's where we are. We may be spending the night in a hotel, if they have any room at the end. But Harry's good at splicing. That's what he did for 30 years on the telephone company. He was a splicer, so he knows exactly what to do. It's just a matter of looking over there under where his feet are to see if he's got his tools. So we'll see.
And in that, we're going to share our drive along the way, some scenery, and then Harry showing this.
Super cool rock formations here. Looks like a bunch of giant kids were playing up in the rocks.
Yeah.
Right? This is really cool. Over on this side. How you doing, Harry?
Just driving along.
Nice little bit. Let me look over here. It's really cool. Cool landscape, you guys. We're in Arizona. We are about how many miles from Tombstone, Harry? 36 miles from Tombstone. So anyway, I just wanted to share some of the scenery with everybody. How you doing, Sal?
Okay.
You enjoying yourself today?
Yeah, just laying here, doing nothing,
Yep.
enjoying the ride.
Stare at Dad.
Just laying here, staring a hole in Dad's head.
We're almost to Tombstone. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, I'm totally out of my mind with excitement. Can't you see? Maybe I'll be able to get him to give me some food.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go have steak tonight.
Oh yeah, steak.
I want to
Can I
go
get some too?
you know,
Yes, I do. Ooh, we just got sucked in by that
I
truck.
just got splashed by coffee.
Did you?
Yep, all over my glasses.
Did you? Do we need to clean your glasses for you?
Stop it.
Ernie.
Keep doing it. Picked ourselves up a nail.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll take care of it when we get there.
Okay. Yeah, fun times.
We are going to basically be doing a BBBE diet. I boiled some eggs, peeled 2 for Sally, so she gets a little bit of egg with chicken and beef. I've got a package of beef. I'm holding it up because it's dripping. And then I've got some bison, and I'm going to mix the 2 and just have, we're going to have ground beef. It's kind of wet, so there you go. Bison. And we're going to have that for the next couple of days. Yes, we are. Now, we went into Tombstone and we did karaoke. And I have a little picture of Harry doing karaoke. We can't play the music or him sounding because we can get a strike. But here's a little picture of Harry rocking out doing karaoke.
Crawls in my body. Tell my mama I'm sorry. And tell the father I need a friend.
Have a ball here. We really do, you guys. Now, this morning is Monday, and we called the roadside service people, and because of where we are at, it's hard getting anybody to come out here. But we thought Father's Day, we weren't going to worry about it. The tire's stationary. The nail is bent and driven into the tread. So, and we have a spare. So all we need to do is get someone to come out with the jack and replace it. So we're waiting patiently for that. So you guys, Harry's gonna share the riverboat ride that we did on a barge at the Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. It's absolutely beautiful. He taped it all, and we want to share that with everybody. So he's gonna put that here, and so you guys take a look at it. It's beautiful. The Alamo is closed until 3 p.m. today, so I don't know if we're going to have time, but Harry's going to go inside the cathedral and film. I'm staying out here in the vestibule with Sally. We're at the riverboat walk, and I want to do these boats right here, the barges.
We're going to slow down right here because if you look to your left, this is the main model.
I'm going to go across the street and see the boats are docked over there, and we'll see what it, you know, if we can get on, how we need to do that. So let's go across the area. This is the backside of the Jewelry Hotel, got directions everywhere. It's cooler down here, which is nice. No breeze.
No, it's very
humid.
Very humid down here.
But let's go this way, Harry. Come on back. loved it. This was very much well worth it. We paid $11.50.
Yeah.
Military is $11.50, seniors are $11.50, and it was a really good tour. I really enjoyed it.
But
So, very much well worth it.
but for a job well done, tipping your
I have a little more than 2 pounds of 80-20, and then I've got my Bison 90-10. I've got my ice maker. I gotta turn it off. Yeah, there we go. I've been making my ice off, there. And I don't salt this or season it yet. Anyway, you guys, I'm making ground hamburger. I've got Bison and hamburger. 80-20 hamburger, 90-10 Bison. I'm cooking it without seasoning because Sally gets to have some. When I'm all done with this, we're gonna have beef and egg bowls. And we're gonna be eating beef and eggs for the next few days. We're gonna do more BBBE to stay on track. We have had some salads along the way. We've had poppers with the cream cheese and the peppers. The last salad Harry had at that chuck wagon, that was in Fort Stockton. You guys, I'll tell you, we ate at K-Bob's. I wasn't gonna say, their steaks were so tough and so undercooked, and I sent it back once. I wasn't gonna send it back twice. No, I was not. So their salad bar was beautiful. Harry ate that, and he's had huge stomach cramping issues since then. So we pretty much, he had a lettuce wedge when we went out with Gloria and Ken for a wonderful Brazilian steakhouse.
That
oh my
was so
gosh,
good.
that and the waiters.
I have yet
and
to see
waitresses.
his. You said you sent me some pictures. I haven't seen them.
Well, he wanted your phone number. I'll get a hold of Gloria
All right.
and text her.
You
your
guys
phone
got
number.
it. If you'll let me, I'd like to show you guys some of these pictures. It's nuts.
Well, anyway, we
I have to ask him if I can.
Okay, show him pictures of what, honey?
The pictures he's going to send me.
Of what?
Fish tanks.
He does fish tanks. He grows coral from babies. He grows living coral and all of this really cool stuff. He was talking to Harry about all of it at dinner. And Gloria and I, of course, were going to town talking and just having a fun time. It really was a nice time, you guys. So anyway, I'm going to cook this hamburger up. We're going to have a bowl of ground hamburger with 1 or 2 eggs on top, over easy. So that the yolks go everywhere. I have been on the phone all morning with the insurance, the tire insurance that we purchased with Arvita, and it's very hard to get a hold of and get somebody out here. So somebody is coming tomorrow. So we're staying put until we get the tire fixed, because we drove 50 miles on a tire with a nail on it, which is scary as heck. That we know of. But we were in the middle of nowhere, and the town we were in, nobody was available. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna get this beef done, and then I'll share our beef bowls that we're making for Harry and I and little Sally girl.
So what's in here?
This is 90-10 Bison and 80-20 hamburger. So
let me get it. It's ham bison burger.
Yeah, ham bison burger. Ham bison burger.
Yeah.
Per Harry.
Yep.
Anyway, you guys, see you in the next segment. You guys, we've got our, what did you call it? Bison burger?
Yeah.
Bison
like
burger, hamburger, and eggs. Yes, indeed. Harry's got his egg bowl. I already put hickory smoked Redmond real salt, and I cooked with plain salt on my eggs, you guys. So we've got the Redmond real salt going on. Oh, got some club soda, or some flavored, I guess. Anyway, you guys, the wind's picking up outside. We're hearing the wind. I like mixing my eggs and my hamburger.
I want to go for a walk tonight.
Yes, it was beautiful last night, wasn't it? It was gorgeous.
Perfect.
I'd say it was in the high 70s.
Yeah. There's a nice little breeze.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Wonder if I'm gonna get anything. We'll just have to wait and see. I'm a little tired though. Maybe I can wait. I don't know. Wonder what she's got over there. Mom!
What?
Did you get anything?
Yes, I'll put some steak and eggs on your plate, but you gotta wait until Papa and I eat, okay?
Of course. I always gotta wait. Such is a dog's life.
Nothing like a beef and egg bowl, you guys. So hearty. It's so easy and delicious, especially when you're in Arvita. That's Harry's favorite. See that yolk?
Yeah. See that yolk? It's now going in me.
It is. Oh yeah, I did put a little bit of pluck regular seasoning in it, in the meat, after I pulled Sally's out. Sally gets the black pluck, which is the plain pluck. It doesn't have the organic herbs in it. So, anyway, guys, gotta eat now. Yes, indeed. Cantaloupe ice cream for dessert.
Oh, yeah.
I made sure I made another one of those because it is delicious. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the Riverwalk boat ride. And you guys, will be shooting more. Harry needed Father's Day just to rest and recoup. So you guys, please remember to like, subscribe, ring that little bell, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you right here tomorrow. But I think Sally's waking up. Show her, Harry.
I've been sleeping.
Yes, I think you slept right through it. Can you say goodnight, everybody?
Good night, everybody. Oh, food.
You gonna eat your breakfast finally?
Yeah. Oh wait, there's eggs in here. You got Mama put ground beef too. Ooh, so good. Gotta go now, everybody. Bye.
She's been a lazy pup today. Anyway, see everybody tomorrow. Good night, everyone.